So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Masood Ali and we will be speaking on the fourth process of design thinking, that is prototype. Prototyping is basically replicating the product in real life so that it can be usable and we can test what can be added, what to be removed. So prototype is basically something like it's a pre-version of final product, and we will actually help the prototyping will help in figuring out the problems of the product, where there are defaults, where can be improved. So yeah, that is what prototyping is basically. So there is nothing more to tell about prototyping. So yeah, don't forget to like, share with your friends, comment, give feedback, and yeah, subscribe to my channel. Please support me guys. Thank you.